Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete your videos you have watched on your Facebook. So you can delete your watch history from Facebook. So I'm going to show in my desktop, then I'm going to show in my Android phone. So first, let's start with the video with the desktop. So here you can see this is my Facebook account. Just log in with your Facebook account. This, if you don't have Facebook application, then you can do with this step with your Chrome browser. Just open your Chrome browser and you have to switch your Chrome browser to desktop site. After that you have to log in with the Facebook. Then just open the Facebook, then click on your name, then your profile page will be open. Then you will see the option here, activities log. If you don't see here activities log, then go to the three dot option, click on this three dot option, and you can find the activities log here. Just click on this. Now you will see the option like video you have watched. Okay, if you don't see here video you have watched, you can go here. You will see all your activities. Okay, and you can categorize here from. Okay, so just go to the home page. Okay, my internet is slow, I think. Okay, so it's loading. I have to refresh it. Okay, so go to the video you have watched, and you will see your all videos you have watched on your Facebook. Now if you want to delete one by one, just click on the three dot and you can delete. But if you want to clear all history, just click clear watch history, and you can clear all video watch history. Okay, so it's clear now. So it take time. If you have a lot of history, I just refresh it. Okay, so it is deleted. Now we are going to learn on my phone. So let's start on my Android phone by using Facebook app. So guys, here I am on my Facebook. So let me open my Facebook application and I show you one by one. Okay, so let it is home page. Just log in with your home with account, then this is your home page will be open. Now go to the three line option here and just scroll down and go to the settings. In setting, just scroll down and find the your information. Under the your information option, you will see the activities log. Click on it and just scroll down, and here we see the option like in bottom, that login action and other activities. Just click on this teeny icon, scroll, and here you can see your you have watched history. Okay, so this is your video search history. You can delete here from here, but if you want to delete your watch history, just click on it. Now we'll see your all watch history. So same, you have to delete it. You will see I don't have any watch history. I just clear it, so it's not showing here. You will see the watch history. You can you can't delete here all delete. You can't delete all watch history from your mobile app. You have to use your Chrome browser or computer, but you can delete one by one. Just take the three line option and you will delete it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.